Have you got a minor problem? Can't afford a house for your family because prices have gotten out of control? I'm Rob Levy from Cutting Edge Property, and this is 7 School Street in Charters Towers. In the last few years, it's been so hard to find a neat and tidy, ready-to-move into house that most families can afford. 7 School Street in Charters Towers is a classic Queenslander with updated features. Throughout this Queenslander, you'll find hoop pine floors, which are easy to keep clean. The current owners have freshly painted the interior, and there's not a lot to do here but move in and relax. Looks like we found a hidden gem. Not this, the house. All 3 bedrooms are surprisingly spacious. 2 of them have built-in robes, and they all have air conditioning and new DC fans to keep your family cool year-round. The family bathroom features an easy-to-step-into shower. The kitchen is so spacious, and it's not closed off like it is in so many of these Queenslanders. Plus, there's a great view of the backyard. There's no such thing as having too much storage in the house, and you'll find plenty in the large shed. And the current owners have set up the rest of the shed in a way that's perfect for an artist's studio. What do you think? There are 2 fully lined rooms here. They even have PowerPoints and LED lighting. There's heaps of dry, concreted space under the house to store your stuff, plus an internal laundry. The best part of living here is you're right across the road from Charters Towers State High, so getting the kids to class on time will be easy. And there's plenty of undercover accommodation for even large vehicles. The location is fantastic. You're less than 5 minutes drive or about a 10-minute walk from the Charters Towers CBD, and yet this street is so quiet. In its heyday, Charters Towers was known as the world, and this little town was so big there were over 100 pubs. There's definitely not that many now, but you'll find heaps of places to take the family for an evening feed. In this growing community, you'll find just about everything you need within a 5-minute drive, including heaps of major shops. And just in case there's something you couldn't find in town, the Townsville CBD and beaches of the Strand are about an hour and 20-minute drive away. So don't get shafted buying a house in town. Come on out to Charters Towers where you can pick a house for your family that you can afford. We'll see you right here this weekend.